Hey, beautiful. You looking gorgeous today? So I got a tie-dye shirt on. It's about to get a little messy in here. I'm gonna be doing makeup again. So I got this from Spirit Halloween. It's a glitter skull makeup kit, and I want like her. She's shining, she's beautiful. I want to look like this. So it looks like it comes with some glitter, some shadows, a sponge, some applicators. And I have no idea what this stuff is. I think it's like glue or something like that. So I won't like her, and we're gonna see if I can look like her. I'm gonna try my best. So I'm gonna be following the instructions. So the first step
is to add 3 drops of water to the silver water activated makeup tray.
I gotta add water to this, and more water drop at a time if needed. So let me add my 3 drops of water with my spray bottle. I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna dip it into this color, and let's just see what this does. I'm curious. Can't even see anything. Okay, it looks brown, so you could barely see it. Let me turn down the brightness so you guys can see better. It just looks so chalky, and it smells funny. But I'm just gonna paint my entire face and see what happens. I just feel like somebody just took my face and just dumped me in a bucket of bronze. I really hope I do not break out from this. So step 2 is to add the black parts. So outline the eye area, create a skeleton nose in the mouth and the cheeks. So I'm gonna be looking at her and taking this small brush and trying to draw these outlines for the eyes and the mouth and the nose. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Please do not poke yourself in the eye, Aaron. Don't do it. It's hard to get a real circle with this. Oh, it keeps drying all patchy. Let me move on to the nose.
I am not an artist.
Okay, I'm having a dumb chick moment.
How many teeth do we have as humans?
She has 22 teeth drawn.
Do we have 22 teeth?
Alright, so it's time to add the glitter finally. So it says to wet the foam tip applicator, dip into the glitter, and place the glue where you want the glitter to be. I'm gonna wet this thing. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be glitter everywhere. Okay, so this is the glue, and it says to apply the glue and then use the sponge to press the glitter in. I'm gonna start on my nose and take the applicator, get some glitter. They're so pretty. Okay. Oh, it's falling everywhere, and just press it in. Oh, shining, shining. All right, I'm gonna put this everywhere, and we're gonna be glitter AF. So, do we look like twins? Are we twinning right now, or are we distant cousins? I think we're distant cousins. I don't think I did that bad of a job. The only thing that I don't like is how her teeth look really white, and I didn't get like a white color to like fill in my teeth, so I just left them alone. But other than that, this was pretty cool. There is glitter everywhere right now. Glitter is everywhere. Okay, I'm glitter AF. I think we look good right now. You know, I can eat, I can talk, nothing's burning, nothing's itchy. It's a little tight because of the glue, but you know, I put glue on my face, so what do you expect? I was actually confused about the bronzy color because I'm like, why am I putting bronze on if I'm gonna put glitter over it? But it kind of like helped with the patchiness. This is kind of patchy. That's the only downfall of this, is how patchy it is. I really wish that the black had more pigment, like if it was like jet black, like darker than this. I don't know, it's kind of splotchy, but from far away you can't really tell. And I think this was pretty cool, pretty beginner friendly for me. It was only $10. And it did everything that it said it was going to, and it came with everything that it said. It's kind of weird how like I look a little bit more, I don't know, her gold and my gold aren't the same gold. But other than that, I feel like if I was to walk into a party and I saw this, I wouldn't be upset. Of course, I'm not partying during a pandemic, but if I was to walk into a party and I saw this, I would talk to her. Comment down below if you would talk to me if you saw me at a party looking like this. But yeah, you guys, to end this video, let me know if I should do another makeup kit from Spirit Halloween, because this was low-key fun. But other than that, give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.